Hi everyone. So in the last video we discussed about this particular question called contains duplicates, and we solved with the brute force approach. Now we are going to solve the question in a simpler manner, right? Which is lesser than the n square time complexity. Let us consider this is the given array. Now what I'm going to do now to reduce the time complexity, I'll just sort this entire array. So if I sort this one, I'll be getting the value as 1, 4, then 16, 22, 22 and 28. At last we'll be having 33. So this will be the values, yes or no? So I'll just first sort this entire array, then I'll just iterate the entire array. Now what I'll do, I'll start the iteration from the first index value, then I'll compare with the previous element whether these two elements are same, and then similarly 16 and 4, then 22 and then 16, then 22 and then 22. Now when comparing these two elements, it will have the duplicate elements, so at that time we'll just break it and we'll print it as true, right? So this is what we are going to do. To sort the array, we use the inbuilt function arrays.sort, that will be having the time complexity of n log n, right? And for iterating this entire array, that will be taking n. So overall it will be n log n time complexity. We'll solve this question first, and then we'll move to the next better solution. So first what I'll do, I have commented all these lines and all. Now first I'll sort the array. So arrays dot sort, and then I'll give the array nums, right? Next I'll iterate the array again. Now I'll check the condition. If so, this particular element is going to start from 1, starting from the second element. Now if nums of I equals to nums of I minus 1, then my flag value becomes true, and then I'll break it, right? So when the value becomes true, it is going to print the true value because the duplicate elements are present in the array. If it is false, then it is going to print false. Okay, now let's run this program. Okay. So it should be nums. Run this program. Now it is asking for the input. We'll give 5, and then we'll give some elements. So it is printing true because we have 2 4s in this. Now right here there is no duplicates are there, so it is printing false. So this particular program will have the time complexity of n log n, right? So if we sort this one, it will giving the n log n time complexity. Now we'll go for the linear time. For this you should know about the hash set. So hash set basically will not accept the duplicate values. So what I'll do, I'll just comment these lines, then I'll initiate the hash map. I'll create the object for this one, and we are going to store an integer value. To import this one, we can use it instead of this one. I'll just go with star. Now hash set has been created. Now we created the hash set. Now we'll run a loop. And then we'll check whether the current element is already present in the hash set or not. If it is already present, then we can say there is a duplicate value. If it is not present, then we'll add it. So if set dot contains, so this is the inbuilt method to check whether the value is present or not. So now nums are 5. Again we'll change the flag as true, and then we'll break it. Right. If it is not, we are going to add it. Now we'll run this one. So the value is nothing but 5, and we'll give some values. So it is printing false because there is no duplicate keys. Now it is going to print true. Yes, it is printing. Okay. For this particular thing, you no need to sort it, right? So we'll just comment this one. This is this line which you have written for the previous program. So for this one, you no need to do this, and then we'll run this one. So it is going to print true. So this particular approach will take only linear time complexity.